Good morning and welcome to Friday's maths lesson. Now, Mr. Lake, I was thinking about what we learned yesterday. So
long ago.
We learned just knowing those few basic number bonds. From that, we can basically work out anything. So we looked at, didn't we? 3 add 5 is 8.
Yeah.
And we realised that if you know that, you know 30 add 50 is 80.
Yep.
You know
13 at 5.
Yeah.
300 at 500.
So it got me thinking, do you remember we've been learning about column method?
We have, yeah.
It struck me that in column method, the most complicated sum you ever have to do, the most complicated calculation, is always within 20.
It is, yeah.
So I mean, if we had, like, you're the pen, let's think of a column method thing. Let's say, I don't know, 71 take away, I don't know, 36, right?
Yep.
Got our ones, got our tens, okay?
Yep.
So 1 take away 6, we can't do it, so we'll exchange this 10 for 10 ones, put that there, and we've got 6 tens left. Right,
Yep.
so then all we're doing is 11 take away 6, which is
5.
5, and then here's 6 tens take away 3 tens, which is
3.
35.
Yeah, and then that never got more complicated than 11 take away 6. 6
Yeah.
take away 3, did it? That was as hard as
And
that
even
got.
though we started with quite big numbers,
Yeah,
actually,
they were big numbers. Yeah.
and it struck me, even, you know, when I was in year 5, things like that, we were doing like hundreds of thousands, but actually we never had to do more. The most you'd ever have to do is like 19 take away something. It was always under 20.
Yeah, I almost think to illustrate that, let's have, I don't know, 325,136 and 452,251, right? Huge numbers, all right?
Yeah.
But you do it in the
Well, let's
6 add 1.
7.
7. 3 add 5.
8.
2 add 1.
3.
5 add 2.
7.
5 add 2.
7.
4 add 3.
7.
There we go.
So with this, now we know column method and the work we did yesterday, it made me think, knowing those number bonds to 20 is so important. And if you know that, you can basically do anything.
You can solve literally any problem.
Yeah, so I've got a game. And what I also found, actually, even when I was in year 5 and things, the thing that slowed children down is when you've got like 11 take away 6 and they're like, oh, I haven't got 11, and they're trying to draw out, and it's fine, they can do it, but it just is a little bit slower.
If you know those facts, it becomes, I mean, what made us solve that really quickly, when we didn't go 6 add 1, right, let's draw out 6 dots and another 1. It's fine to do that, isn't it?
Yeah.
But what made us do that quickly and accurately was just knowing those.
Absolutely. So, Mr. Lake, I've got a game to help us, okay? Now, this game is called Strike It Out.
Cool.
It's a great game. Right, now, watch and learn. So, Mr. Lake, I'm going to be red and you can be another colour. You've got to be a different
I'll
colour.
be green. Because
Okay.
apparently this week that's my favourite colour now.
yeah, you love your green socks. Right, maybe I should be blue because I like blue socks. I'll be blue. Right, so, I'm going to say, let's go for 6.
Mm-hmm.
Cross that out.
Yep.
6 add 10.
Yep.
Okay, so I've got 6 add 10. Now that equals 16. Now I'm going to put a ring around 16.
Okay.
Now it's your go, right? So
Yep.
you need to start with the number 16.
Yep.
Okay, so can you write number 16 here?
Mm-hmm. So 6.
Oh.
16.
Okay, now you can do an add or a take away, but you've got to use another number on here.
So not numbers you've used already.
You can't use the numbers I've used. If I've used a number, you can't use it again, okay?
Okay. I might do take away because I want to go smaller.
Yeah, okay.
So I'm going to do 16 take away 11.
Right.
And that makes, well, I know that makes 5.
Okay.
So I strike that.
Oh no, you have to put
Oh, sorry, a ring around
a
it.
ring
Yep.
around the 5.
Yep.
There we go. Right, so write the answer down, please. Right, so now I need to, I get my blue pen. I'm going to start on 5. Right, so I
Yep.
could go 5 add, I could go 5 add I'm going to 5 add 13, okay?
Oh, okay.
5 add 13, okay, so cross that out. Now 5 add 13, and that equals 18.
Yep.
Okay, so now you'll go, you've got to start on 18. Okay?
Yep, so 18, I'm going to do 18 take away 14,
Okay,
and that makes 4.
okay, great. Okay, so put that there. Right, now my go. Now it starts to get more tricky because we haven't got many numbers left. Okay, so I have to start with 4. Okay, I might go 4 add 7.
Yep.
Oh no, I can't do it because
Can't do it.
that's
No,
11.
it's 11.
Right, I have to think about this. Okay, let's get thinking. Right, I have to do 4. I could do a takeaway. I might do 4. Let's try 4 add 8.
Yeah, because 11 was
12.
taken, but 12 wasn't.
Right, so let's go 4 add 8. That equals 12.
Okay.
Your game is still
I
8?
already thought about my next one then. So 12,
Yeah.
take away, the 9's 3, equals 3.
Okay, right, my go. So this is going to be. Okay, let's just try that in 2, 3. Okay, right. So I've got to start with 3. Right, 3. Right, 3 add 7. It's 10.
No,
Can't do it.
that.
Right. 3 add 2 is 5. Can't do
do
it.
that.
3 add 1 is 4. Can't do it. Okay. Ah, right. Let's go 3 add 17. It's 20. Right, okay.
Yeah.
So 3. Oh, 3 add 17 equals 20. Okay. Cross that out. And they should be crossed out. Right, you'll go.
Okay.
So you have to start with
I have
20.
to start with 20. Oh. So 20, I know what I'm going to do here. Take away 19 equals 1.
Okay. Right, so I've got to start with 1. So 1. Oh, 1 adds 2 is 3. Can't do that. I'm going to have to add because it's the lowest number. 1 add 7 is 8. Can't do that. 1 add 15 is 16. I can't go, Mr. Lake.
I knew what I was doing.
I can't go. You've done. But yeah, you've beaten me. Okay. So please play this game with someone at home.
Do you know, it's a really fun game.
It's a fun
Really
game, and what I don't want is to anyone say, "Oh, I can do it. I don't need to do it." Trust me, it's so important, and this is the more you play this game, you'll realise it's quite a deep game. There's a lot of tact. Mr. Lake was being very sneaky there, and you'll work out a way of beating the other person if you play it a few times, and you'll realise, oh, actually, I should go there, okay? And I want you to work out those tactics, okay?
Yeah.
So have a go. You could also try, maybe rather than working against your partner, you could work with each other. Is there a way to use all of the numbers?
Because we had a few left at the end, didn't we?
Yeah,
15, 7, 0.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had some left.
Okay. So have fun with it. Play a few times, please. This is really important and really
practice. Yeah.
It's a really useful thing to do. And as I said, it's going to get you thinking. It's really good. Okay.
And I think the thing is, if you're really good at these kind of calculations, as you said, when you get to year 5, year 6 maths,
yeah, it will.
you'll be
Yeah,
fine.
I promise you. As I taught year 5 2 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
If everyone knew this, their life would be so much easier.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Okay, so have
Have
fun.
fun.